have some important AI news to discuss today. Algorand has been added as a partner for Google Cloud's Agent Payments Protocol. And on today's video, we're going to break it all down and let you know what this means for the Algorand blockchain. Before we begin, watch this clip from Blockworks Digital Asset Summit, where the head of Web3 and digital assets at Google Cloud spotlights a demo from the Algorand team showcasing agentic payments in action.
I think actually some of the most interesting value unlock we'll observe will be in the B2B space. But of course, it's very obvious to us sat here today, even if you're not deep into AI or of course crypto, that you might want to pay for your Nike shoes. I saw a great demo from the Algorand team recently where you would be able to instruct your agent to go and do that for you. And that's something that you would probably do anyway. And it could be a holiday and it could be something else. And you can understand how you want to provide some guardrails for your agent there through digital payment credentials and verifiable credentials to make sure that you're signing for something that you actually intend to. And that's, a consumer concern.
And that was a breakdown from the demo of what you can potentially do with AI agents, especially with Algorand powering the payment solution. All right, let's dive in deep into what Agents Payment Protocol means. Google announced the Agent Payments Protocol, an open protocol developed with leading payments and technology companies to securely initiate and transact agent-led payments across multiple platforms. The protocol can be used as an extension of the agent-to-agent protocol and model context protocol. In concert with industry rules and standards, it establishes a payment agnostic framework for users, merchants, and payment providers to transact with confidence across all types of payment methods. Why is a protocol needed? AI agents are capable of transacting on behalf of users, which creates a need to establish a common foundation to securely authenticate, validate, and convey an agent's authority to transact. So the three main components here are authorization, authenticity, and accountability. Let's start with authorization. Proving that a user gave an agent the specific authority to make a particular purchase. Authenticity. Enabling a merchant to be sure that an agent's request accurately reflects the user's true intent. And finally, accountability, determining accountability if a fraudulent or incorrect transaction occurs. Now let's focus on how it works. Establishing trust via mandates and verifiable credentials. AP2 builds trust by using mandates, tamper-proof, cryptographically signed digital contracts, those are smart contracts, that serve as verifiable proof of a user's instructions. These mandates are signed by verifiable credentials and act as the foundational evidence for every transaction. What this does is it unlocks new commerce experiences. AP2's flexible design provides a foundation to support both simple and entirely new commercial models. Then below it considers a few of the examples here. Smarter shopping. A customer discovers a winter jacket that they want is unavailable in a specific color, so they tell their agent, I really want this jacket in green and I'm willing to pay up to 20% more for it. So that's a smarter shopping example. Then we have personalized offers. A shopper tells their agent they want a new bicycle for an upcoming trip from a specific merchant. Their agent communicates this information, which includes the trip's date, to the merchant, whose own agent can respond by creating a custom, time-sensitive bundle offer that includes the bike, a helmet, and a travel rack at a 15% discount. That's another example. And then coordinated tasks. A user is planning a weekend trip and tells their agent, book me a round-trip flight and a hotel in Palm Springs for the first weekend of November with a total budget of $700. The agent can then interact with both airline and hotel agents, as well as online travel agencies and booking platforms. So these are different examples of what AI agents can do with this new protocol here. In those examples that I just read, agents are talking to each other and paying each other. So let's check out this article on Coinbase. Google Agentic Payments Protocol plus X402, agents can now actually pay each other. So here's a too long didn't read version. Agents can talk to each other. And now with 402 within Google's new AP2, they can pay each other as well. Stablecoins make this possible at the speed of code, unlocking micropayments and new models of automation that legacy rails simply can't support. Now, getting back to Algorand, how Algorand enables solutions at scale. We have 10,000 transactions per second. That's point of sale speed that users expect, instant finality, no rollbacks, no partitioning, no uncertainty, pure proof of stake, block by block agreement ensures data integrity. Then we have programming languages and tools, Python, TypeScript, and more, and a drive to decentralization. Thousands of validators keep the network secure. Now let's bring this full circle. Google developed AP2 to initiate and transact agent-led payments across platforms securely. Algorand blockchain's instant finality, low cost, and secure transactions make AP2-ready agent payments seamless across platforms. Algorand was built for these type of use cases.